Eco-friendly electronics, crafting with recycled materials for sustainable gadgets. We live in a world where technology is rapidly evolving, leaving behind a growing pile of electronic waste. By repurposing old electronics and other materials, we can create something new and functional while also doing our part for the environment. This not only helps in reducing waste, but also in conserving the raw materials and energy that would have been used to produce new components. Old electronics can be salvaged from a variety of sources. Your own home, that broken DVD player or old radio might have components like motors, screens, or speakers that can be reused. Thrift stores and garage sales. These are gold mines for old electronics at bargain prices. Recycling centers. Some centers will allow you to take or buy old electronics that you can dismantle. Once you have your gadgets, carefully dismantle them to retrieve useful parts. Remember, safety first. Wear gloves and goggles to protect yourself from sharp edges or any hazardous substances. When working with recycled materials, here are some tips to ensure success and safety. Test components before use. Make sure that the parts you salvage still function correctly. Be mindful of power requirements. Ensure that your power source matches the specifications of the components to avoid damage. Insulate exposed wires. Use electrical tape or heat shrink tubing to cover any exposed wires or connections to prevent short circuits. Each project not only challenges your creativity and problem-solving skills, but also contributes to a larger cause, sustainability. It's about making a conscious decision to be part of the solution in a world that is increasingly consumed by waste. Crafting with recycled materials is more than just a hobby. It's a statement. We're proving that with a little ingenuity and effort, we can reduce waste and create something amazing at the same time.